Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule Payoneer payments for future dates. I just log into my Payoneer account right over here and just tap on actions, and the third option and the fourth option you will be see the pay to recipient bank account. So just tap on the pay to recipient's bank account. So after loading this feature, inside you will see the options and payment details. So schedule this payment, you will see in the top. You can also just turn it on the button and just pay from a select balance which you have in your Payoneer account, and just add a bank account. So you will see schedule this payment, turn it on please. And right now you will have to just send payment, choose a date and all the fill these things and go. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.